Hi guys, in this video we'll talk about the user-defined functions that Python provides and how do you call them, how do you write them, and how to use them, to create a more modular program. Okay, so first let me show you how to create a user-defined function, right? So what I'm gonna do is I will write def and then I will say concat, okay, and then I will this function will concatenate two strings whichever is provided to it. Okay, so when defining the function you always have to define the parameters that it should take as an input. So I'm saying str1 comma str2 and then I'm put a colon, enter, and say return str1 plus str2, right? Let's put this in brackets. Okay, yeah, so that's our function. So now let's say I want to call this function. Now I will say concat is a Python keyword. Let me call concat1. Okay, so let me say concat1 and then I'm gonna pass a string abc and another string I'm gonna pass is def. Okay, and then let me store this in a variable, call it func output. Okay, and then we are going to print the func underscore output and see what it does. See, it concatenated both ABC and DEF. You can change anything you want here, and every time you call the function, it's going to. So basically, let's say you have to do a lot of concatenations in your program, but you have to write A plus B multiple times. You don't have to do that. This is a simple example. There can be this can be a big function, basically doing a lot of operations, and you don't want to write those many lines of code multiple times. That's not a good practice, and that's very difficult to maintain. So that's why for modular programming you have to define functions which will perform a common task that gets called multiple times in a program, and you have to call that. Okay, so hope this video helped you understand how to create user defined functions, how to call them, and how to assign them to a variable and print it. So thanks for watching this video, and if you have not subscribed yet, please subscribe to the YouTube channel.